Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I'll show you how you can insert your SIM card into this device. Now before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straight on on the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the very top. So using this little tool, you want to find the tray and then push it in, and you will see that the tray comes out enough for you to be able to grab it and take it out. Now on the tray you will have space for two different SIM cards, so you can occupy either one of those, both of them. So from there, place your card on the tray. Now, just out of curiosity, it looks like at the bottom side it actually kind of holds, a little bit, while on the top side it is relatively loosely placed in there. So anyway, from there, insert it back into your device, and the card should start working right away, and it is. As you can see, it's prompting me to put in my SIM card pin, and there we go. So that's all you needed to do. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.